Hey guys, I'm doing a service on this and I wanted to show you guys how to adjust your RPMs on your engine. I'm doing it on a FX 801 Kawasaki. Most of your engines are all going to be the same regarding, adjusting the cable and adjusting the full throttle position. And then all engines will run the same RPM. So if you're running a carbureted engine, you want to run the engine at 3750. If it's EFI, you want to run the RPMs at 1875. So the first thing is you're going to need some type of tachometer. This one is pretty standard. You're going to make sure that you're reading 2142 on the tachometer. And the way you check it is you put this near the spark plug boot and it's going to read your RPMs. Then 5/16 or 8mm to do the adjustment. So we're going to first start it up and check the RPMs. This unit is running about 3,600 RPMs. So we're going to have to make an adjustment here. So what you want to do is this one's going to be your throttle cable on the bottom here. And right now it's at idle. So at full throttle, you can see that this lever right here moved. This piece right here is your stopper. So you can tell it's not even hitting the stopper. So what I'm going to do is adjust my cable so that when I put it at full throttle, I'm going to see if it hits this stopper, if it's going to give me my 3750 RPMs. So I'm going to make that quick adjustment. When you do the adjustment, you want to do it at idle and then adjust the cable. And then you always want to make sure on your throttle cable, there's always a notch in there to keep it in full throttle position. You can kind of see it right there, the notch I'm talking about, right there. So that notch at full throttle, the throttle cable should fall in the notch, and that's what holds it there. So I'm going to put this at idle, and then I'm going to loosen. Barely going to slide this cable back. So I barely moved it backwards. Tighten this back up. Put the unit at full throttle. So now I'm hitting the stop. Just because I'm hitting stop does not mean I'm at 3750 RPMs. So I might have to adjust the stop some more and the cable to make sure I get my full RPMs. But I'm going to see where I'm at now. So I'm almost there. I'm at 3690. So I'm going to back my stopper up some. So I think my travel on my throttle cable is plenty. But now it's hitting a stop. So I need to back that up some. Put that full throttle. $37.20. This should be perfect RPMs. So I did back my stop up a little bit. I adjusted the cable. I'm right at 3750 RPMs. Just so you guys know, if you have a Kawasaki and it's a FS 691 on those engines, most of the times you can only get about 3600 RPMs, and that's fine. But on the bigger, engines, you want to try to get at least 3750 out of it, and that's how you do the adjustment. But do make sure that you have a tachometer that works. Some of them will have like a lead coming off here. You can wrap around the spark plug boot. Mine, I just hold up near the boot, and that's it. And then there again, make sure when you do your adjustment at full throttle, you're hitting that notch inside the throttle cable. So then when you're mowing, it's not backing down on you. And that's it.